How to set Android volume lower than lowest level. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. You can use the volume control application. For that, you can head towards the Play Store or App Store, and then you can easily search for the volume control applications like Precise Volume or Volume Styles, and these apps offer more granular control over volume settings. Other thing is you can head to the settings on your Android phone and then tap on volumes or sound and vibration. Here is the volume control settings for media, ringtone notifications and alarm. Using the slider you can easily limit the volume and set it to the lowest level. Other thing is you can use do not disturb mode with custom settings. You can enable Do Not Disturb mode and customize settings to allow media sounds at a lower level. Also, you can adjust volume on a Bluetooth device. If you are using volume or Bluetooth headphones, many have their own volume control that allows finer adjustments separate from your phone's volume settings. So that is how we can easily set Android volume lower than the lowest level. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.